Hi there. I'm going to show you some hacks and tricks in Eduslides. So, from any of your slides in an Eduslides slide deck, there are some different tricks and hacks you can do. If you scroll over, you'll see the waffle or the 6 little dots. Clicking on that will let you modify with AI, convert to bullets to a table to columns. You can also modify the text, summarize it, expand it, or make it more concise. You can adjust the reading level, translate, or delete. Also, from any of your slides, if you click into the text box and click the / button on your keyboard, you can generate with AI, add a new paragraph, add a heading, a table, a list, a quote, code, drawing, divider. You can embed a tweet, embed a YouTube video, even an equation. You can make it columns layout, add a slide timeline, multiple choice question, or any other types of questions or polls that you see here. Isn't that pretty nifty? Also, from the bottom, you can add a new slide generated by AI by clicking the lightning bolt, or you can add a new slide manually. Those are just some fun tricks and hacks from Eduslides. See you next time. Bye.